Have you ever done a WordPress update on a plugin or a theme and then gotten this? There's been a critical error on this website. Please check your site admin email inbox for instructions error while the website's loading. If so, stick around and I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to find the error and probably fix it. So the first thing that you'll do is you'll want to turn on error logging. So what you'll need to do is sign into your website and go to the wp-config.php. And then you will put in these 3 lines at the end. So you're going to put in WP debug is true, WP debug log is true, and WP debug display is false. So what that will do is it will start an error log and give you the issues that are happening as the website is loading. So click on save. And once that saves, what you'll do is you'll open up a new tab and reload the website, put the website in, have it reload. So it, it tries to load and it goes through and it errors again. So once it errors again, click on WP content. And within WP content, there's actually going to be a debug.log. So click on that debug.log. And here is the issue that's happening within your website. So you're just going to do a Control-A and a Control-C and copy all of it. Now you're going to open ChatGPT and you're going to tell it exactly what you did. So I'm going to say I updated Elementor and Elementor Pro, which are 2 plugins on the specific website. The website wouldn't load, it just crashed. And I said if I deactivated the 2 plugins, it was fine, but if not, it still crashed. So the issue definitely was with one of the plugins. So then I said, here is the error log. And I gave it the entire error log. And then lo and behold, thanks ChatGPT, it figured out exactly what was wrong. So it told me that the crash was being caused by Elementor trying to create a database table that already existed. So then it actually gave me the fix options as well. So all I had to do was log into the PHP My Admin and delete that table, and now the website works fine, which is great. So once you do whatever ChatGPT tells you to do, and I am going to say you're probably going to want to back up your website just in case before you do any of the changes that they require. Then once the website's fixed, you're going to want to take out that error tracking. So what you'll do is you'll go back into your website, you'll go back to the wp-config.php and just scroll down to the bottom, grab those 3 lines that we put in there before, get rid of them, click on save, and you are done. You don't want to keep them in there because the error log will just get very long in case anything else happens. And if you want those 3 lines plus what the prompt that I gave to ChatGPT, there's going to be a description in the description. There'll be a link that you can click on, and we'll just send it right to your email box. Thanks.